I got two.
All right.
What do you want to come up for?
Yeah, man, you're f***ing wrong, man. This is bullshit.
Sit down, let's trip. Relax, relax, bro.
Well, take these off, man.
Until listen, you just detained. You're not under arrest. Chill out. I guess something came back before I walked in. Let's
Yeah, man, f***ed up.
Hey, we know how to undo if we fuck up. Relax. Come on, bro.
Yeah, because you get sued. You don't want to get sued.
Yeah, we don't want to get sued.
Don't f*** around.
You said somewhere your girl got that was.
I get my girl.
What's this?
I'm so f***ing stupid, man.
It might just be a delay that they didn't put it in, but if you
It might
say you
just be
buy,
delayed that they put it in. The f*** you think it is? Just hurry the f*** up and take these cuffs off.
Oh.
Dumbass. I'm already on bail off it. Stupid. The f***, man.
5/16/2022, something about it tomorrow.
When did you warrant come out?
5/16/2022.
Ask him, you have SCSO? Step over here. Look on speak.
Hold on, stand by, hold on.
Who you talking to?
SL Radio.
Alright. Hey, who's speaking? Hey, talk. Hey, Alexis, this is Sergeant Lawson. What's up, sweetie? Alright, so the warrant is good for him, right?
Yes,
Okay.
stay with me.
Stay with me. Question. When did that warrant get put in the system? Okay, could you check our jail system?
43
Like, you know what? You know what? You don't have to. Cause I can't wait to sue you, motherfucker. I can't wait. Let's go.
if it's not,
Matter of fact, am I locked up? Am I locked? Come on, let's go.
no,
Let's
you just
go.
detained for right now. You take 10-15? Alright, take it to the car.
What does that mean?
It's active, the warrant's still active.
So really? So you guys are gonna lock me up on the same f***ing warrant that I just got bailed out on? That's okay. I'm gonna sue your dumb ass.
What was that warrant?
I'm gonna sue your stupid ass. Good. Good. No. I just got bailed out on a f***ing warrant. On what?
I'm gonna tell you. You wanna let me talk to you?
Yes.
Relax. No, he's fine. Benzino, let's do it. It's not on the same thing. It is an additional charge.
For what?
Did you have? I guess you could say DV warrant.
What's a TV warrant?
Domestic violence.
Domestic violence.
No. Hell no. I'm gonna sue the f*** out you guys. Hell no. In my life. Never in my life. Are you f***ing crazy? Are you guys serious? In my life?
I'm telling you what.
Hell no.
Why are you hollering? I'm talking to you. Okay, you have a right to be upset. I'm giving you.
What's the warrant
I
on?
just told you domestic violence.
From who?
I don't have it in front of me.
I'm gonna sue the you son of a bitch.
Hey, listen. We
Pussy
put the warrant on him.
Man, that's bullshit.
Hey, listen.
I don't got no domestic violence. What's the date on it? What's the date?
I just told you.
What's the date? No, you didn't. You told me shit.
Listen to me. I don't know that date, but you have an.
You can't tell me nothing.
I don't have the actual date that it was put on you. That's what I'm telling you. It is there.
So you guys are arresting me on a false warrant? I don't have a domestic violence. Listen.
Okay, so let's do it. Let's do it. Does you have anything in here you want to take with you? I'm trying to work with you.
No, let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna sue the f*** out you. Let's go. Let's go. Take me the fuck out. Take me out.
Benzino.
Take me out.
I'm trying to give you the key.
Take me out. I need to call my lawyer. Take me the f*** out.
Last time out. Do you have anything about
dog, asshole? What do you think?
You got keys, anything?
asshole? Did you ever put your team?
Y'all take it. Alright,
Son of a bitch.
Y'all hang tight.
I can't believe this shit. It's all right. I didn't want domestic. Man, fuck. Suck my dick. Suck my dick. Suck my dick. Got no domestic violence. You guys, I can't believe this shit. Why didn't you show up last Tuesday when they bailed me out of Compton?
He said it was an additional charge. That means they came back and charged you with something else.
They came back and charged you with domestic violence?
Yep, they added
when?
charges. We'll know when we get to the jail. We'll get a trial.
They came. Okay, who came back?
They this what it said?
Who came back? Who did I get charged from?
The officer.
The officer? What officer?
Whoever the one took out the warrant on you, sir.
An officer charged me with domestic violence?
Yes.
Why didn't he arrest me?
Why didn't he? Because
Yeah, dickhead, why didn't he?
because he wasn't there. He couldn't locate
Huh?
you. He put a warrant out on you. So if somebody came up, he came up 1099.
Okay, yeah. This shit crazy.
When we get to the
This
jail,
shit crazy as fuck. Suck my right? Suck my suck my. This don't even make sense. This don't even make sense. Why did the officer arrest me then? Huh? Does that make sense to you? You idiots, man. Oh man, you guys are violating the out of my rights. That's all right though. That's all right. Man, do you know how many times Cobb County been sued? You pricks, you Sambo fuck, you racist bitch. All you motherfuckers. Yo, racist. Believe that. Man, you Sambo. Go fucking tap dance somewhere. Cool. Yo, cool. That's all right. I'm gonna sue your punk ass. Believe that. Yeah. Bitch ass. Bitch ass nigga. All right. Suck my. Suck my. You and your mother. Your mother. Your mother. Your mother. You punk motherfuckers. That's all right. That's all right.
People look up to
Suck
you.
my dick. Suck my dick. Suck my dick. Suck my dick. Look up to that, you bitch. You bitch ass nigga. Your mother. Your mother's sucking my dick. I can't believe it. It doesn't even make sense. I just got out of jail in a domestic violence? Man.
242
Hey, officer, I apologize. Can you roll down the window, please?
Yeah, I got
Because I can't breathe, man. I can't breathe. I don't even know what's going on.
you, man.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, because I can't breathe. Thank you. A little more, please. Thank you. All right.
Depending on that, we'll see what happens after that.